Hey everyone, Philip DeFranco here. Let's dive into some breaking news that's making waves in the academic world. Today, a federal judge in Boston has extended an order blocking the Trump administration's efforts to ban international students from attending Harvard. This decision came right on the heels of Harvard's commencement ceremony, adding a significant layer of drama to the celebrations. Now, if you're wondering why this is such a big deal, let me break it down for you. Over a quarter of Harvard's student body is international, and nearly 60% of the graduate students at the Harvard Kennedy School are from other countries. Losing the ability to enroll these students would have been a massive blow to Harvard's diverse and global community. The Trump administration's move to revoke Harvard's ability to enroll international students was part of a broader campaign against the university. They accused Harvard of fostering violence and anti-Semitism and even alleged ties with the Chinese Communist Party. These claims came without solid evidence and were seen by many as a retaliatory attack on academic freedom. Harvard fought back, arguing that the administration's actions violated the university's First Amendment rights. They also pointed out that such a move would severely damage their academic programs and financial stability. Let's be honest, when billions of dollars in grants and funding are on the line, you can bet your last dollar that Harvard will fight tooth and nail to protect its interests. Interestingly, the Department of Homeland Security had initially planned to make the revocation effective immediately, but later sent a notice giving Harvard 30 days to contest the decision. However, Judge Allison Burroughs, who is overseeing the case, wasn't convinced that this new process would lead to a fair outcome. She questioned whether the administration had fully complied with her original temporary restraining order, especially after reports that some incoming students had already faced visa issues. During the hearing, the judge expressed skepticism about the administration's intentions and stressed the need for a preliminary injunction to ensure that Harvard could continue to enroll international students while the legal battle continues. And so the temporary order remains in effect as lawyers from both sides work to negotiate the terms. This isn't just about Harvard, though. On a broader scale, the U.S. has over 275,000 Chinese students enrolled in its colleges. Secretary of State Marco Rubio recently announced plans to aggressively revoke visas for Chinese students with ties to the Chinese Communist Party or those studying in critical fields. This could lead to what experts are calling a brain drain, severely impacting the U.S. academic and research landscape. Lynn Pasquarella, president of the American Association of Colleges and Universities, emphasized the potential loss, stating that targeting international students would be a huge setback for the U.S. educational system. Harvard's President Alan Garber echoed this sentiment during the commencement, celebrating the global diversity of its graduates. So, what does this mean for the future? As it stands, Harvard is still fighting another lawsuit challenging the administration's decision to cut nearly $3 billion in federal research funding. This case is far from over, but today's ruling is a significant win for academic freedom and international students everywhere. That's it for today's update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more news and analysis. Stay informed, folks, and I'll catch you in the next one.